Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Be my guest. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever been in a situation where someone told you to be their guest? And you were confused about what they meant? Be my guest is an idiom that means go ahead or help yourself. It's a polite way of letting someone know that they are welcome to do something or take something. To remember the meaning of be my guest, think of it as an invitation to a party where the host is telling you to help yourself to food and drinks. Once upon a time, a friend of mine was invited to a party. When they arrived, the host greeted them and said, "Be my guest." My friend was confused and thought the host was asking them to be the host of the party. After some explanation, they finally understood that the host was inviting them to help themselves to food and drinks. Fun fact, this idiom is often used in restaurants when the waiter tells you to help yourself to the salad bar or bread basket. Example sentence, if you need anything from the kitchen, be my guest. The speaker is telling the listener that they are welcome to help themselves to anything in the kitchen. Original sentence, be my guest and try the new ice cream flavor. Rephrased 1. Feel free to try the new ice cream flavor. Rephrased 2. Help yourself to the new ice cream flavor. A friend of mine was hosting a party, and one of the guests offered to help with the dishes. The host replied, "No need, be my guest and enjoy the rest of the party." The guests were happy to hear that they were welcome to relax and have fun. Similar expressions, go ahead, help yourself, be yourself. Opposite expressions, don't touch, keep out, stay away. Related idioms. Make yourself at home, mi casa es su casa, welcome to the club. What does the idiom be my guest mean? A. Be the host of the party. B. Help yourself. C. Leave the party. Answer B. Explanation, be my guest means help yourself. To sum up, be my guest is an idiom that means help yourself or go ahead. Remember, idioms can be tricky, but understanding their true meaning can prevent misunderstandings.